Hi mortals, it's your girl, crazy bitch, just Maddy. Do you know I used to be a cheerleader because I am so cheery? I have been finding a lot of my old stuff from when I was a kid, and one of those things was my old cheerleading uniform. You know, I was jumping champion for Southern Tasmania in my age group. That was rad. Yeah, I can jump, guys. Anyway, I got my old cheerleading outfit and made it into this zombie costume. Since a lot of cheerleaders get a lot of injuries, I figured I could just make it look like she just fell from giant height and broke bones and stuff. Yeah. This one time I was flying and the bases sucked, so my sister had to catch me by my hair. So basically, to start off, I put the top of my cheerleading uniform and laid it out, and then put the skirt, laid that out as if I was, wearing it, and I put glad wrap in between those two sections on one side so that I could have this gory wound on my ribs, maybe a few cracked ribs exposed and all that stuff. And I'm gonna make it look decayed and gangreney and gross, and it's gonna look mad. So I laid the glad wrap down. I used some paper towel and some latex just to make this gross texture, and then I used broken skewers and more paper towel and what are those iPads you used to remove eye makeup with? I used that as well because the fluffiness can make really good textures. And I made this gross little thing. I painted it. Yep, I painted it this gross yellowy color where it's kind of like the bruising through the skin where the ribs are broken. And then I did this gangreney rot thing down lower, so it's like it's just decaying from the wound down. And then what I did was since I'm imagining the person fell on their side, I also made this little prosthetic for the elbow where it kind of looks like some of the bone is exposed out here as well. I painted that all gross and green and color as well. And that was super fun and gross, of course. So I can just put the outfit on with the rib prosthetic on me, and then I can just, you know, stick that down and paint it on me and all that. So it's not all like touching my actual skin, which is a very good sensory defense. Yeah, but I still had to make fake blood, which is not sensory friendly at all. So I'm gonna feel like crap when I wear this. So appreciate it, like, comment and subscribe, please. So when making fake blood, kind of screwed up a little bit on this one, but it's meant to be like zombie blood. So I want it to be dark, coagulated, kind of gross looking old blood look. So what I usually do for normal blood is like golden syrup and a little bit of red food dye, right? Maybe a little bit of browning agent just to get that little tinge of a deeper red. However, because I wanted it like kind of, you know, as I said, old gross zombie that's like rotting kind of thing, I I added too much black food coloring, and then I had to add glucose syrup because it's completely transparent, and way more red food coloring, and it's still very, very, very dark, but it did get to a good zombie color. Let's do this thing.